One of the most common repairs is repairing a hem that's come down, and that's because the stitches have come loose. This is not difficult to fix, and I'll show you how. So we can use this technique to repair a hem that's come loose. It could also be used here. There's a broken seam on a side seam, it would be useful, or here on this cuff, or you could even use it on the neckline as well. To do this repair, you'll need some thread, a sewing needle, a couple of pins, and a pair of scissors. We're going to use a back stitch to do this repair, and I'll show you on this scrap how to do the back stitch now. To start, you bring your needle up a stitch length in from where you want to start stitching, and instead of stitching forward, you bring the needle back towards yourself and then bring it up on the other side of where the thread comes out. And then to do the next stitch, you come back again, joining the stitches together, and go forward to the other side of where the thread comes out. Back and forward. This is quite a strong stitch, and on the surface it mimics a sewing machine stitch. I'm going to do the exact same stitch on our repair. It can be helpful to pin the hem in place, particularly if it's a large section that you need to re-stitch. I'm using a contrasting thread colour so that you can see what I'm doing. Bring your needle back and then up on the other side of where the thread comes out. Back and then forward. Try to keep your stitch length as even as you can. Keep going another centimetre or so once you reach the stitching, just to make sure that it won't come undone. Bring your needle through to the back, take a small stitch, and if you poke your thread into the hem and out and trim it off, it will be hidden inside. And there you go, your hem is repaired and ready to wear.